All right, here's your reminder. You are in Florida. Lake Griffin State Park sits right in the heart of Central Florida, and it's just a 40-minute drive into Mount Dora, which is a great day trip if you're camping right here at Lake Griffin. But you're just going to love the water activities there, from the kayaking and the boat rides. It's just old Florida at its best. All right, here's where you get the guided boat tour, and I'm going to leave the phone number down in the description because they don't run this daily, and the schedule does change weekly, I understand. So you'll want to see that down in the description below. I mentioned that they changed the times on the boat tours that go out because the 2 different times we've been at Lake Griffin, this has happened to us. So when I checked with the park ranger, he was quick to tell me that it is based on season, and so you do want to check in with the phone number down in the description in case that's an activity that you want to do. The kayaking is wonderful here at Lake Griffin State Park. This is definitely something you're going to want to check out for yourself. Okay, so you got the kayak launch over here, and the public boat ramp is right there. All right, here we go. That's a cool little island right here in the middle of the river.
It's a beautiful day.
Okay, so that is the route all the way out that takes you to Lake Griffin itself, that direction. Where I've seen some of the biggest gators right here on this bank. So as you're kayaking right here, pay attention because I've seen some big ones right in there. This is a gator that we saw at that very point just a couple of years back, and this is why I warned everybody to pay attention while you're on this kayaking run. He was pretty big. So I get asked all the time about alligators, so you can bet that when you see these openings up in here, that's where they go. So you can see there's plenty of parking if you want to bring your boat while you're camping. You can park your trailer right here. The parking lot's quite big. We're going to show you the campsites in a second, but I wanted to show you this short live oak trail, and they have one of the oldest live oak trees in the state of Florida. All right, so this is the trail that takes us down to the live oak that's here at Lake Griffin State Park. And this is the second oldest live oak tree in the state of Florida. It's ginormous. Wait till you see it. Look at the size of this thing. Unreal. Gosh, I don't even know if this will fit in the whole camera frame. Okay, so it's the second largest oak tree in the state of Florida as well. Wow, amazing. While Lake Griffin State Park is a little on the smaller side compared to other Florida state parks, they had a very nice playground there for the kids. They had very nice pavilions as well. You could rent them and have family gatherings. The cornhole and volleyball activities could be rented right there from the ranger station. And then the setting that all of these picnic areas were in is just beautiful. The campground has about 40 campsites in all, and it does have a dump station. Do be aware that the camping loop itself is not a paved loop, so it can be a little bumpy getting in there with your RV or your camper, so just take that in consideration. But these were some of our very favorite campsites that we saw there, and we wanted to share them with you. The interior sites are a little bit small, so just be aware of that. Probably 25 feet. Site 20 here is really beautiful and shaded. It's just a little small, but it is a beautiful site. Look at that, all the trees. All right, Site 25 might be my favorite. It's got a good size space, a lot of shade. Look at those trees. Yeah, I would say Site 25 is a good pick. Look at your view. I hope this look at Lake Griffin State Park helps you to kind of plan your next camping trip. And if you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up down below. And more importantly, we would love it if you subscribe to our channel and came along with us on all of these adventures. And until next time, get out there and camp, travel, and explore.